Consistency is queen or king on the pickleball court. And if you can learn to do what this dog does when he's catching this ball, you'll be surprised at how much your consistency will improve. If you ever watched your dog's eyes when you're ready to throw its favorite toy, you know that they are focused on nothing else. It's their eyes that help them position their body to catch the ball. The good news for you is your eyes and your brain will do the same thing. If you're watching the pickleball, it will help you to position yourself to hit the ball more consistently. If you watch pickleball matches here on YouTube or in person, you will notice that the elite players in the game are focused on watching the ball all the way to their paddle and keeping their head down as that ball leaves the paddle. Are you as focused on watching the ball? Put a yes or a no in the comments below. Speaking of consistency, we post a new video each week targeted at the pickleball player who's over 50, helping you to be more consistent and be the pickleball player you want to be. Click the subscribe and then the bell notification. That way you'll never miss out. Let's start by playing a little game of catch. Begin by throwing the ball in front of you and following it all the way into your hand. Watch the back of the ball or the holes on the pickleball all the way until you catch it. Now, it would be nice if your opponents always hit the ball in front of you. It's an easy place to see, but they don't. Start to throw the ball high and low. Again, follow it all the way until you catch it. So now that you've played some catch, here's another thing that I do to help focus myself on the ball, and that's I can do this anywhere. I'm just simply watching the ball all the way to my paddle face, and I want to watch it go up and down, up and down. If I'm good on the forehand side, turn it over, do it on the backhand side. This is also not only good for your eyes, this is great in terms of learning to control your paddle face. Now that you got the hang of watching the ball all the way to the paddle, we're going to do the 2-ball dink drill. This is not as easy as it looks. The best way to start it is to give yourself a count. Jeannie and I typically count 1, 2, 3, and we put the ball in the air. Not only are we trying to switch our eyes from one ball to the other, the second purpose of this drill is it's helping me to control trajectory. Unless I put the ball back in a certain place to Jeannie, it's more difficult for her to return. So it really is a twofold drill. So let's go ahead and go.
1, 2, 3.
If you're over 50, you already know that aging impacts our vision. Here's another video that's going to help you to improve your hand-eye coordination and your ability to watch the ball all the way to the paddle. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up or share it with your pickleball playing friends, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.